Purchasing a mobility scooter is a big but practical decision and one not to be taken too lightly. So we recommend you take the time to look at your requirements and needs before you buy. There are 4 types of mobility scooters to choose from, each with their own features and benefits. They are lightweight travel scooters that fit easily into the boot of a car, compact folding scooters, mid-size pavement scooters, and then larger 8-mile-an-hour road scooters. Travel mobility scooters, just like this one, are lightweight and compact. They are easy to dismantle into separate pieces for ease of storage and transportation. Our folding scooters can easily fold at the touch of a button. This is ideal for anyone going on shopping trips, hospital appointments, holidays, or even staycations around Ireland. If you're looking for a faster speed, additional comfort, or a longer travelling range, a mid-size mobility scooter could be the best choice for you. The 4-mile-an-hour portable travel scooter and the 6-mile-an-hour pavement scooter are great for trips to the park, visiting neighbours, or simply just shopping. The larger 6 to 8 mile an hour is a more robust and sturdy mobility scooter that, as the name suggests, can travel 6 to 8 miles an hour on the road over a longer distance. Fitted with a larger, more powerful battery, this type of scooter is great for longer distances while travelling on the road or country lanes, keeping you safe and secure. Because of their larger size, these 8-mile-an-hour scooters come with a more generous seat and a greater floor space. Each of our mobility scooters is packed full of lots of great features. What you need to decide is which of these features are most important to you. Easy to operate, the speed dial can be simply adjusted from tortoise to hare. To drive forward or reverse, you pull the lever like so. And to stop, you just let go and the brake will engage automatically. Made for ease of access, all our mobility scooters come with swing-away armrests and a swivel seat. Some models come with additional features such as comfort seating, angle adjustable backrests, and depth adjustable sliders for taller people. If you're looking to travel at night, then a scooter with lights and reflectors may be your safest option. You'll also find there's a large range of accessories for your mobility scooter to add to that driving experience, such as rain covers, outdoor gear, and mobility ramps. Our standard nationwide deliveries are free. We can also offer engineered deliveries where our product specialists will travel to your home, assemble the scooter, and tailor any specifications to fit your needs. Our engineers will demonstrate how to get the best out of your mobility scooter, be happy to answer any questions, and when they are finished, take away all the packaging with them. This removes all the stress and effort for you. As always, if you have any questions or require further information, visit our website, gomobility.ie. Or alternatively, you can pop into our showroom, book a free home demonstration, or simply just give us a call.